Hey YouTube, how you doing? Bubba here. Happy New Year. New Year's Eve tonight, so I thought I'd give us all a cold start. Got some stuff that's come in to show you all. And yeah, carry on. So, haven't started the truck since that last cold start. I had a fella in my last cold start video request a shot from inside the cab. So, I'm going to try that out. How that's exactly going to look, I'm not sure. How can I get it and show everything? I'm not sure. We'll try that out. Fuel gauge is up where you can't see. Oil pressure, battery and temperature, and the speedo, which won't matter much for that. I don't know if I said or not, I haven't started this since my last cold start video. Make sure we're in neutral. Yes, we are. Start pumping. I guess that's not a very good view, so here we go. We are pumping like mad. Wow, that sounds like it's gonna go. Oh, she's... Oh, there was one. 2, 3. Oh. There we have it. Come on, baby. Well, sign of life there anyway. Try this again, see what else we can. Man, oh man. Huh. That's so. Open the door, there's some good sound. Oh yeah. Tell you what, I'm gonna stop it there because I keep it running. But right now, I wish you had smell-o-vision. You could smell how rich it is here, how stinky. Which, oh, yeah. Brings me to the other half of my video. There we go. I'll set you guys up. How will I set you guys up? Yeah, so there it is. No major leaks. It did start. I'm satisfied with it. Tell you what I'll do is I'm going to set the camera right up here. And carry on with the second half. Met a fella through Craigslist. Selling that. What that is, oh, too bad it wasn't better set up. This whole video kind of came to me as a whim. That's not going to work out either. Too tall. Right. Yeah, we're done. Back in the day, we used to have Sears catalogs. Now we just have Canadian Tire flyers. Anyway, this is my new acquisition. 750 Holly. All its glory. Oh, look at that. Even came with a hold down. Look at it. It is beautiful. And I guess I didn't get going on about Charles. Charles is the fella that I bought this from. He's a great fella. Hard times, you know. I really feel for a guy like that. We visited a bit when I met him to get this, and he just got through a bunch of cancer treatments and whatnot, and I guess that's all they can do for him. He had himself a Chevy 2 that he originally bought this carb to put on, but it wasn't enough for it, so he ended up getting an 850 to put on the car. Lo and behold, down the road, gets cancer. He's worried about his wife and what she'll have to go through trying to deal with the aftermath of him. So he sold it all. And this was left from his original build of the car. And luckily, thank God, I guess, you know, that for me, anyway, because this showed up in the Craigslist at an amazing deal. I'm embarrassed to tell you how much I paid for this. But we wish him well. You know, Charles, if you're out there, I hope you watch this. I hope you see this. I just want to thank you so much. It was great getting to know you a bit there. And I look forward to seeing you out there again, my friend. You know, that you'll fully pull through this. I have a faith in that, and I'm just going to proclaim it right now that you'll be fully healed, and that'll be that. And I'm going to see you out there in another car, one of those Qualcomm shows or something, and, you know, and we'll look back and, yeah, and we'll, you know. So I thank you for that. It was great getting to know you a bit, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the future. So yeah, here we go, 750 Holly. Not exactly the one I was hoping for, but when I saw it for that great deal in the paper, Craigslist there, I couldn't not get it, right? And then, lo and behold, let me see here, I got it. And then he brings out all these other things. I'm going to get the carb from him. Here's a bunch of pump cams, a couple power valves, all kinds of, I haven't taken any of them out yet and looked at any of them all, but a bunch of jets. We got some O-rings there. Here in this part, we got accelerator pumps, more power valves, gaskets, everything. I don't know, but I'll bet you if I had to get all these little bits of kit, they would equal what I paid Brother Charles for that carburetor. So, thank you, sir. Hope you all had a great Christmas and a Happy New Year. We look forward to what's coming. And we'll just see you guys next time. Keep tuned in. Keep watching. I'll do the same. I'll be by. If you come by me these days, that's for sure going to get me by you. Leave me a little comment or something there. Bleep bloop in the sections. And we'll keep this going. So like I say, all the best to y'all in 23. We'll see you next time. Bye.